Hi, today we've released a great new feature that most of our florists have been asking about, and it's related to the ability to change the order that products are displayed in a product section. So you can see here these products are showing up, in a specific order, but before today you didn't have the ability to easily change the order and rearrange them. And the same is true for every product section. The products show up in a specific order, but you didn't have the ability to change that. Well, as of today, now if you go into your pages and into the product sections, so here we'll look at this Women's Day list of products, and that's using style 11. So I'll go to style 11 here. And now we have this Arrange View Order button. So when you press that, it gives you a panel that allows you to rearrange the products in any order that you choose. So see, I can simply drag and pull them into the order that I want and then update that. And that update reflects on the site, and you can see it's already changed here on the site into the order that I chose. So now this product here is the first product displayed instead of being at the bottom of the list. And the arrangement respects the different sections as well. So if you change it in one section, it doesn't have an impact anywhere else. So you can see here I can go into this section as well. This is using style 6 here and have a separate arrangement. It could be the same products, but I could arrange them in different ways. Say I want this designer's choice to be up here at the beginning of the list. I make that update. And now when I refresh the page here, that designer's choice product is at the beginning of the list. And I'll show this one more time across another page. Let's find here's this sympathy page that has a good amount of products on it. We can go into the sympathy page. This is also using style 5. And now it's going to show us, here's our sympathy products. And say I just want to move this eternal peace. You see I can drag it anywhere I choose, but I'll pull this right to the front. And this pure grace here, move that to the second product. And I'll update that. And we can see right here, it's in the order that we have given it. And if I go to the sympathy page here, it's now reflected there. So all I need to do now is just publish this to my live site, and these changes will be reflected on my live site. So as you can see, this is a really helpful functionality that's we've been waiting for a couple of months now to make this available. And so now this is available for you to use. If you have any questions, you can contact us at info@boostfloral.com. And if you have any feedback on it or ideas on how to make it even better, just let us know. Thank you.